let's begin. I'm going to take you back there. Feel all weight drift away. How are you feeling?
Good, I think.
Do you recall anything from the session? Focus. What is happening?
This was the day Billy was taken.
Them kids. They didn't stay buried. It's as if the earth itself was allowing this horror to rise up.
There's some unsettling similarities to the 100-Acre Massacre.
It's not safe. There have been loads of murders leading to Ashdown.
Tell me everything that you saw, please.
I knew that this day would come.
All of Ashdown will burn.
In today's episode, we're going to talk about a film called Winnie-the-Pooh, Blood and Honey 2 in 2024. A 1 hour and 33 minute horror thriller released March 26, 2024. Storyline: not wanting to live in the shadows any longer, Winnie-the-Pooh, Piglet, Owl, and Tigger take their fight to the town of Ashdown, leaving a bloody trail of death and mayhem in their wake. Directed by Rhys Frake-Waterfield. Written by Rhys Frake-Waterfield, Matt Leslie, and A.A. Milne. Here's the cast. Scott Chambers as Christopher Robin. Taloa Evans as Lexi. Ryan Oliva as Winnie-the-Pooh. Louis Santer as Tigger. Eddie McKenzie as Piglet. Marcus Macy as Owl. And Nicola Wright as Daphne, and Thea Evans as Bunny, and the cast goes on. Folks, look, back in the day, I was really anxious to see Cocaine Bear and Winnie-the-Pooh, as I mentioned in my review. I was wanting to see this for a long while. I almost went to the theater to see it, but it kind of left before I got to the theater. I was kind of pissed. So I had to wait for the release. Fucking brilliant. I thought Winnie-the-Pooh was good. Part 2 is even better. Bigger budget. Great cast. A lot of great characters. Owl in this movie was fucking cool. Tigger was fucking cool. And of course Winnie-the-Pooh was cool. And of course you had Piglet. I'll tell you something, folks. This picks up where the last one left. Now, of course, after the first one, Christopher Robin was basically, the whole town thinks that he's the one that killed everybody, that, you know, he's lying about, you know, Piglet and Winnie-the-Pooh. Well, the town soon realizes that he's telling the truth. Fucking gore, kills, a lot of action, a great fucking film. If you don't like the Winnie-the-Pooh franchise, shame on you. I absolutely enjoyed this one. I mean, the characters was cool. Owl kind of creeped me out because of the character of how they did it. Wow. Tigger was a maniac. Just a great cast. Great story. A lot of fun. Definitely check this one out. Winnie-the-Pooh 2, Blood and Honey in 2024. It is well worth a watch. This is Gruesome Herzog. I give this film easily 9.5 out of 10. It is one of the best that I've seen this year. That being said, get your copy. Get a digital copy. Do what you got to do. It's well worth a watch. This is Gruesome Herzog, and I'm out of here.